Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change app icons on iPhone and customize your home screen. Now let's go ahead and by long pressing the empty space right here and then go ahead and clicking the edit button, click customize, and then from here there are a few things that I want you to do. So you can go ahead and click this one in order for the labels to disappear. Click it back in order for it to appear again, and there are a few things that I want you to focus on here. Number one is we're using a default. You can go ahead and click the dark right here, and you can see that now we're in the dark mode. Now you can set this to always, or you can set it to auto, like to turn it dark during the dark time or night time. You can also go ahead and click the clear here, and you'll see that now it is a clear tinted. Again, go ahead and click light, and it's going to be a light mode. Dark mode again, and then you can go ahead and click the tinted right here. And for the tinted, you can actually look for some things around here. So let's say color wise, I'm going to choose around this color, and then you can adjust the intensity here. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust it just like so. And yeah, once you're done with that, you can then go ahead and basically click here anywhere, and you can see that now we have saved that customization. Again, everybody, that's how you're going to change app icons on iPhone and customize your home screen.